Yeah, 6 feet. Six
It's
times
6 feet?
2 is 70, or 6 times 12 is 72.
Is it folded under it in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's kind of a fancy filling mechanism. And what are you doing that for?
Doing what?
Why are you filling it that way? Instead of just blowing into it.
That's what it came with.
Oh.
And supposedly it helps it last longer.
Instead of just blowing into the valve?
Yeah, because you can get like...
You don't get moisture in it then?
Moisture, mold.
Oh, I've never cared about that. It's kind of cool though.
Yeah, I've never used like a sack like this, so it's kind of fun.
Yeah. Huh. We are tired.